I mean organization abaso. I mean share a how promo si so at the Safo no Kwame. We said for the past 2 weeks in March no ho asema ba all social media platforms Kwame. Hwɛ deɛ na ɛkɔ so, I mean argument na ɛkɔ so ne saa no man I think say I mean I was here about Mabasu because the hype surrounding the games no Kwame I think say na it was true. First of all me mbo Mabasu any I mean good coverage a omo di ma share for the first time I mean Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne has full Kwame they there one who ne hype the necessary attention I was a game ni no Kwame for the first time so many I mean yes I think say omunya sa mileage na I mean yes attendance no na me expectation can be more than that but I mean you can't complain but we are just hoping say going forward and your my bit masana I mean yetimi aye no my say the be numbers aye hwehwe no yensa ebetimi aka eho enso so no Kwame Mami call Masudi ho. Now you see, I'm impressed and I'm and the piano may enjoy the post match. I mean interview and or kase papa Masudi. And you see, or church saying or church artists or church see. That is what personally I expect from coaches, no. But yeah, no. Why yabo game never na ukobusano? They be a drawing board. They be a nyame. The bia say ne jam match no asem na to hono and Masood I mean in some now can I think say I'm highly impressed about what I mean Anna or I mean post match interviews now or making no sometimes or may who say yes that is football and that is what we are expecting from them and the omon games no asem omon hu nia ekoso hono after games no yes that's what exactly I am Masood into Kwame mama mona baso on that tangent Kwame again Abranti friend Masood sorry Hussein ne osi enjai no nkobo refi Kwame it's hard time I was say Ghanaian clubs any players no omusua de emre dru and again we can't continue like this a very bad attitude e Ghana your clubs need players ne so Ghana kwa ye bobo wi a enya one team enya one venue almost 90% of our venues na Kwame your board games we are just players our clubs need be echo referee so Ghana kwa your board game we na e copy referee abono your copy referee na di nkomo obetimi akọ referee so akọ kan dia opeso on kan kire no but Kwame there are so many ways to attack referee in a nice way. But yeah, had any day. Omukwa na say asemaranko ye nya no ne ambu obi nku no. Ye nya no na amfa de obedi ben no mfanye no. But Kwame in any case, we say ntide na wo ye. Si e jai referee se sia na onu gina onu ma enti no oye sure so betima bu referee. De na wo say ni ye. Any referee gina hoyi. All things being equal. Si e jai se sia anti referee betimi abo no. Personally, I feel it's a very difficult to be team referee. At a point, u coach Patao Masood or Patao be bia untie police a bit trawashia a man for honum or be a Patao who see the bida yenja ne kobu referee. Yenja ne kobu referee. Very bad. Very bad. In fact, so Bia Bayampo Hussein, I never expected to say Abranti bit my put to such behavior. Very bad. In fact, what disappointed me big time. You don't do that. A dear Kwan is a dear Kwan. Is it the first time a referee be a mistake in Yana? Is it the first time a Yakobo Bo Ankoye nay before Banis annual man? First time Bini. A dear Kwan a referee here on the field of play. Referee would D matchy. A dear Kwan or ye. A dear mistakes in the day. Mistake in the day. To come your clubs and your players no. They should learn and learn the game well. Professional player, our boy Ghana Sole has a Kwame. Sometimes you know we say found shame. You are destroying your image. You don't do that. If you want to go for it, Kwame, you see, Uko Ken Westia, omo head coach no Roy Richard Osaya on the head coach.
Okay.
Yes, Ken West.
Koko bisa.
Koko, yes. Oni Dr. Prospanato Ogum emeto in terms of coaching.
Okay.
Last is na Prosperity kwan no be a crown boy. Ken West. But how decide say any Ken West for staff or staff. Say oye no the PhD cra. Where staff ankasa.
And who now fancy to
Yes. Where staff ankasa. Ah oye adwuma ma Ken West. But we coach. Kwame, one thing I old school near Bobo, discipline. Kwame meteroy so na sorry. Because obeka just nya ball ni nko ani ni de obon. Enya eno nko ani de obon. Entienei odi row mu say refugee foul tia, refugee bibia, don't go to the referee. Don't complain. Just ball game. Right is hard discipline ni be show mu. Right from so beba first year obetima join school team no. And that's the first team obetima join. So you have that mentality. You have that idea say oh coach me ja touch liar. He is not interested in you going to the referee. Akopo okade wa jeri dey na akoka. Whatever you are going to say, whatever you are going to do is not going to change the decision a ref na take. So kono koyeden. But our clubs, our players, I don't know why they don't want to admit the fact that mistakes occur games no. After all, what? In any case, very important. So no one kasa adwene ho ehu se enei. Joye ne wanya de. Very important. And waya de. Kwame nipa de oya de na ogitum se wayem fonso. This what who said your hair and one year no the letter about Bontia. At least I think it's in the right direction for him to do that. But going forward, any especially a big clubs no, it doesn't sell good image and from a team no. You lose or respect beer amount for the man. A pass a kamulusu and a very bad attitude. I'm just so percent on my best sir. And it goes to all our clubs, any players no. That is what they've been doing. They be an a poor boy a kobu referee. This same referee should have moved kobo matches on baby ebe officiating mamu. Tienya na mumu omunyina. When they chobe officiating games no. Bona mo bona ankasa no kwame mo mo ball ni so ye. Bona mo si referee nyaade no. Mo ankasa kwa so mo nyaade. Mube share ball ni boni ye no na mahunu de mube ye o game ni mu na game na tumpon no eno no hia referees na de bia ni omoko referees na de bia ni omoko enso kwame matise nipa no e ka va kwame o ka va na va ni nipa kuya na team va o pretty o yentia na omo yusu va no yes almost say mistakes yentia ye hunu
sure
omo yusu va na say va e correcting your man these same people kwano e say mistakes. Fire bad bay. Come baby a merit bia on demerit ho. And to give van never solve problem because those people nipa na manipulate nipa na use ade no. Ti nipa no besi siwa ade o chef room obesi siwa. Ye ni ha ye timi wood line bi o metwa ye si we outside ye si we say one kasa say ade we die aba. And to no point solve problem. We should understand that mistakes account. But oka kwame ye referee so no oka untimi ni won film because there sa o metwa to no eno na kwa na san bebo wo mo go metwa sa to ama enei so o ye genuine mistake kra na e be problem ensumi wa na nkenye ne bone kwa so genuine mistake bi but enyo ma ye nti no kwame enei na oka bi kra na no won say ase o mo kra no they are not clean. Eye neoma ye adwa atwam nti na ne ebe me yadum pempenso nti kwame resre clubs no any players no they should start learning, they should focus, play good football, share ball ni ye ne bo ni ehun say indeed you are a footballer and enya ball nko you are learning a lot to adapt eno ne be boawo especially those young ones nearby. Kwame, now to the game. I believe, sir, I mean, they are good game share. And Drew Standard and Aquaman and Misusu, but a year sir. First half, Master Santikoro did so well, and again, second half, a class of folks who came and they also changed the narrative of the game. Yes, Omantini and Yago, but you could see say they changed the game. You see, I believe that, let me say, I'm in Nicholas Eti production, say House of Folk in your right back. Very important. Yes, I'm basing on what happened yesterday, no. But you see, Amankwabefi has not been bad this season. Oh, right back home. But Kwame, I still stand by my words that House of Folk in your right back.
Right back.
Yes. I am fancy number 2 Ankasa. Will be a defensive number 2 Ankasa. Said the canon. You all know Amankwabefi, I mean number 2. But I mean, you are converting all ball and all you do bet me. So I feel it's House of Folk in your right back Ankasa Obejina. Sa honum ediama me be man who different role your man another role no play. He's good. Okon ani man bad sa. Kwame, the defensive ability no, I think say Ondru ho. I think so Ondru ho. Enra me gidi say I mean Osha House of Folk set up now. They were missing players bi wo mu team ni mu a second half no mo buy no yehu. Especially Abdul Karim no.
So no free injury.
Yes. Me kwara na mim so won timi mbo. Na mim so won timi mbo. And you see first half no you see Kotoko no mo dominate game no. Na Kotoko dominate game no. And me on any day I still stand say na Kotoko deserve so mo win game irrespective of the House of Folk be second half no. Kotoko deserve so mo win game no and o ma win. But I know say I mean say the attack record no. You see your key moments be games no Kwame it change the dynamics of the game. Me nyata kwaya adwen say ne o say mawuli wayo Kwame o start game no. Perfect. Me nyata kwaya adwen.
Oh ne ya adwen.
Yes. Ne o say mawuli wayo start game no. Because Kwame player all man resource consistency all year adwuma no. Kwame e dey 30 senko. E dey 30 senko. Play him. Mani modi obetimi abo. I don't see why, I mean, or drop it no. But it is what it is, Kwame. I can't game home. Moreover, Kwame, it's hard time or CSV. I was say, I mean, you see, when a fine player, but Kwame, he can't continue to be doing this stuff. For how long? For how long, Kwame? Ni born a ball. Can I defend the straight? Kwame, only born a ball. But you're a good defender. But with these mistakes, Kwame, a bad deal. Hey, then no more morphine dozo.
Adaroma.
Yes.
So you were now when you just said or says our chance.
No man, you G Eddie Amo says be because I go by laughing stock. See nine himself mistake it only Kumasa Santikoro go share mistake beba. Obiya aware. And that has been a national anthem. And truly, what is our mistake we? No Kwame. To be serious, yes, be. Baby assessor offer a correct sound man Kwame. I also one year. Miss Reno. A fine player. But mistakes not Dawson do. Mistakes not Dawson. A Dawson. To Kwame, a Juma or House of Folk team no. Now, did the year Juma Kwame who did the Sanu team so? Who said now House of Folk game now? At least coach a BB. Now you could see, you could feel. But Kwame, a Juma that's who I was said did the year. And you see, Tisada Mekano. Normally he admits, say, Nchobe wa Juma. That is why I like him. Attending ya or admit say then going forward, or be make sure so or be rectify Sadian. So I'm just hoping, said Didi, a be team in Juma. Now going forward, and you might start to pick a house of folk. Kolokono on the boy, the BNC and Norma. Kotoko mini has baby ni normal BPNC matches akadoso. Now on the side of Kumasa Santi Kotoko kwame na me fancy yambo Kotoko team na baso coach Karim Zuti yambo mabaso. They've done so well. They've worked hard to end this. 3 points. Accra. You know, Accra no more ma a problem at the house of football. So and maybe one might be a better or see a boat team number so. At least they've done so well. And now me can say a branch about Kwame now. Oh boy, Juma Yama Santi Kotoko Mundi set koju.
Set koju.
Yes. Me can wa. I don't see why Coach Karim to Emma branch no end starting games. I don't see why. But anytime Bia or be introduced our branch no abebo Kotoko games no. Kwame, you could see the dynamic of the game I na branch and the debate room Kotoko a team. So I was complaining say Adena coach and start your branch no. So why we games you know and that's how our branch ni Bia anytime obenya sa not say o jinama bo minutes kakra dem asante Kotoko you could feel our branch the present on the field. And then he did so well. To me, he did so well. Yambo, Mantian Abaso, the entire team, they played as a team.
Who was your man of the match yesterday?
Yesterday, on the side of Kumasa Santi Kotoko. No doubt, Sambo O'Neil, yes.
And I'm a headset, Kojo.
Oh, but Sambo O'Neil there, Kwame, you see, Abranteno, irrespective of, club or I love my heart for him. He has been a standout player for Kumasa Santi Kotoko for the past 2 seasons. I'm enjoying him, and I'm just hoping that Kumasa Santi Kotoko can maintain him. No manya branch and say Obesa Trasu esi akama. So Kwame, in all they did so well. They deserve the 3 points. Almost how outstanding games be all ma a beer. We are just hoping say betting as I winning some matches now going for the many points now. They are competing for a year. GPL no this season, so account kudos to them, and I'm just hoping say no matter because said na on Kumasa Santi Kotoko side. Kakra on GFN.
Yes, na me koni ko hona.
Okay.